Hey, Jacob here from ABC. In this video, we're going to take a look at one of our newest products. It's a kit for adding bronze wool to the top of your WaterFed pole. Now, when you're doing WaterFed, you'll inevitably come across windows that have something on them that's just a little bit too tough for the brush and water by themselves to take care of. In that case, you need a little more elbow grease, and it's helpful to have a way to add extra abrasion. If you purchase a triple crown pole, it comes with a double angle adapter. They're also available on our website separately, and you can add them to most poles on the market. Now, to give you an easy way to add extra abrasion to the top of your pole, we put together a kit which includes 6 bronze wool pads, which are custom sized to fit our threaded pad holder. Simply screw it on to the end of your double angle adapter, and then when you reach those windows, you can flip over, scrub with the bronze wool pad, and then flip back to doing regular WaterFed. So that was a little bit about our new bronze wool kit for adding abrasion to the top of your WaterFed pole. To purchase, check out the product on our website. Any questions you have, drop them in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.